Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Today I wanted to show you a product that I ordered off of Etsy, and this is actually manufactured in France. So you can imagine the customs charges and everything to get it here to the States was not cheap. So this one was like $36 or $37, something like that on Etsy, plus the international shipping fees. I think I ended up paying like $50 or $55. I had to have it though. I'm kind of a sucker for leather holsters. So this one in particular, because there's not any out there in leather that I'm aware of other than this one. So what this is a case to specifically hold the Leatherman bit kit and extension. And let's just take a look at it first. First, the stitching is, I mean, this thing is really, really well made, and the leather's nice on there too. And then has the belt loop on the back, and you can just see the stitching, the level of quality that they put into this thing. So it's really, really done well. And all the edges are nicely burnished and smoothed over. I mean, it's nice craftsmanship is what it is. So inside, both of the bit sleeves fit in there, and they're not tight in there. They're they're snug, but they're not overly tight, so you can easily pull them out. Now this one, for the extension, there's a little, it's not quite broke in yet, but once it does break in, it'll be fine, I'm sure. But they have a little loop in there for the extension to sit down in, which is really, really sweet. Now, the only other case that I know of that will hold, is designed for the Leatherman bit kit, is the r.a.e. gear case. And it will hold both of the bits, and it'll hold the extension. Now, originally when I showed this, I didn't think, because I just didn't want to go in there right the first time, but you can actually set this extension in upside down, because this way it just rattles and it was annoying. But you can definitely switch it in, put it in the opposite direction. But I'm kind of a sucker for leather, like I said. I just like leather. I guess I'm old school in that way. I think it's more classy. I think it's more attractive for sure. So, you know, it's kind of the same way. Some people like wood stuff over metal stuff. You know, to each their own. But I really like this case. Links will be in the description box below. I will say, though, that when I looked at it, there was only 1 of 5 showing available, and something like 5 or 6 people had it in their carts. Now, I don't know how often they update their Etsy, but you know, at the moment, there's only 1 available for shipment. So I'll definitely leave it in there. If you like this, just know that unless you're in Europe, it's going to be pretty pricey to get it here to the States. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib, and a little overview of this fabulous little case for the Leatherman bit kit and extension. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.